everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and it's my pleasure to introduce to you the last stroller you will ever need. This one is going to fulfill all of your wants and all of your desires.
The first thing I noticed about this Mompush Ultimate2 stroller system is how easy it is to maneuver. The removable bassinet comes off and the whole frame folds down, so it's really simple to just collapse it and store it in your vehicle and then open it up again. Has a ton of storage options. It even comes with a cup holder and a rain cover, and they even included the pieces to attach a compatible car seat to the stroller frame. The bassinet has a very thick padding, so it'll be comfortable, and both the seat and the bassinet for the stroller come with a sun shade, and you can reverse the direction, so you can have the baby facing you or facing away. It's just so adaptable with so many options.
I love how this stroller just makes everything easier. It comes with a bassinet. It comes fully adjustable. Even the handle becomes longer or shorter, and they included a cup holder, plenty of storage at the bottom, and an extremely lightweight and maneuverable stroller. They're really looking out for parents at Mompush, and I'm impressed with not only how durable and adaptable this stroller is, but how beautiful it is too. I love the wheels. They're so big, but the brake is very easy to operate, even if you're in sandals. I really appreciate finding things that are useful, beautiful, and built to last. And I really feel that this stroller system from Mompush hits all of those targets. It ticks off all of those boxes. You're not going to be disappointed. And that is my point of view.